We should ask everybody, what does ICFF stand for? That shit would be so funny. This is one of the reasons that I came to ICFF. It's such a risk suggesting things to clients, right? But that's our job. You know, they trust us. And a lot of times, especially when it comes to big ticket items, things that I haven't seen in person, I kind of need to in order to really give a strong recommendation. They won Best in Show in all of New York City last night. So seeing it in person is stunning. And I saw 3 separate chandeliers. Now I'm seeing 1 chandelier, but 3 tiers. And this is even sexier because most of the time we have to decide, is the chandelier in the foyer for the street, for the curb appeal, or is it for the interior of the house? This one's long enough to cover both grounds, to effectively fill that window, but also come down low enough that you can see it when you walk into the home and out, which is perfect. This is breathtaking. I want to see some like really innovative walls. I want to see some LED wall coverings. I want to see some paneling. I just want to see something cool for the walls. You know, that's like my signature. I love wall coverings and adding as much texture as possible. So please let there be something good here. This show always has like a really contemporary edge. This is not transitional like everything we see in Atlanta. It doesn't have the traditional that we see in North Carolina or the healthy mix. This is all edgy, all contemporary, and always want to be up on everything new that's coming out. I think great designers are forever students, and so we're trying to absorb as much as we can and stay as current as possible so we can always offer our clients the best stuff. And honestly, it's fun. I mean, this is a fun show. It's good. I'm glad I came.
Yeah, I just saw that too.
What, the guy with the world?
Paul, come see this.
Wait, there's way more than that.
Wait a minute.
No. Wait, come in here. Wait, come in here. Wait, where is it? Oh my god, I didn't see that one before.
Double P. Good job. Good job.